Samsung is going all out. Some unbelievable news has surfaced this week, giving us an idea of Samsung's thinking going into 2025. Smartphone industry is at a very crucial point, which is why 2025 will be a make or break year for Samsung. And it all starts with an apology. Samsung has officially apologized for lack of innovation this year while promising that next year things will change massively. The old, aggressive, hungrier Samsung of 2019 might be coming back. Starting with the S25 series, it seems like Samsung will not take any shortcuts when it comes to the processor. Once again, we're hearing that all models will get the latest and the pricey Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. Even the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is set to come with the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip, which is pretty much in line with what I talked about in the previous video, that is the death of Exynos. So yeah, no compromises when it comes to processors, goodbye Exynos, while also focusing on some of the key areas like video performance on the S25 series. Apparently, Samsung is planning to release around 22 million Galaxy S25 units by midsummer, with the S25 Ultra taking about 11 million of those units, pretty much confirming that once again Samsung is betting heavy on its Ultra model. Speaking of Galaxy S25 Ultra, the design is now finalized, and the biggest mystery we had was regarding the camera lenses, and according to Universe, it seems like their look will be similar to that of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 as shown in the CAD info via OnLeaks. This is the similar look they have for their Tab S10 series and a similar kind of look for their Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition. I do like this look, but let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. While the S25 series is looking pretty decent, it's definitely not going to be enough to make Samsung the winner of 2025, and for that they have to take a huge risk, and what that is, we'll talk about it right after this. It's 2024, you'll be surprised what hackers can do with your data, which is why Malware Bytes provides you the ultimate security you need against all kinds of digital threats. It's like having a security guard right in your pocket. With Malware Bytes, you can enjoy safe browsing with automatic warnings about risky websites, so you can surf with confidence. Plus, you get a built-in VPN which ensures your online activity stays private whether you're at home or on public Wi-Fi. Hate annoying ads? Well, you can block them with ease while keeping your browsing session private. It also gives you real-time protection against scam calls and scam messages. So don't wait, click the special link in the description and download Malware Bytes mobile security today and experience total protection. Alrighty, so Samsung's biggest risk/innovation since the original Fold back in 2019 could finally happen in 2025. For the first time ever, we could see the official launch of a rollable flagship smartphone from Samsung with a whopping 12.4-inch rollable screen. This news is coming via South Korean media, the E-Leg. They have a pretty decent track record when it comes to Samsung news. They also claim that this rollable phone will have an under-display camera. If Samsung truly wants to innovate, then this might be it. They're already facing tough competition from the likes of Huawei's tri-folding phone and even the Honor Magic V3, which pretty much embarrassed the Fold 6 in terms of its design and thinness. It's high time Samsung finally go all out and release the beast that they're keeping for 2025, and that could be a rollable phone. Now, Samsung is looking to launch their very limited special edition of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 that apparently has a 200 megapixel camera. It's got a wider outer screen and it's said to be thinner as well. Considering everything they're doing with this Fold special edition, it pretty much confirms that we're going to see even bigger jumps with the actual Z Fold 7 next year. So yes, not only we're going to see the most powerful Galaxy S flagships ever made with no compromise of Exynos, along with the focus on video improvements as well as the One UI 7.1 with its incredible smoothness, along with the biggest spec upgrade on their Fold lineup and a possible big innovation with the Galaxy rollable flagship phone. It's safe to say that Samsung wants to repeat the history that they made in 2019 and go all out with next year. That's all for the news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.